In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam tools no internet connection error. So first thing, go here and just open your PowerShell. So you could either open it by typing it here or just right click, and if you go here, open in terminal. This should be the same as PowerShell, but I'm gonna show you how to open it here. So just type PowerShell. So this is PowerShell. I'll open it like this, and now I will just write this command: IRM space colons, and actually let me put this, then HTTPS two dots slash slash LUA tools dot vshell dot app slash manifests dot ps1 colons space, and then you're gonna put this and then space IEX. Once you write this down, press enter and wait for it. So here you need to choose the GitHub mirror. So click one to choose this option and press enter. So once you're here, you want to type in the ID of the game you're having issues with. So you would go to Steam, and let's say you're having issues downloading or updating this game, Brawlhalla. So you would right click properties and go to updates, and this is the app ID that you need. You would simply copy this. Actually, you can't copy, you just put this like write this over here. So let's just put this like this and put in the app ID. So it's 291550. So write it down and press enter. So once you press enter and let it load, it will download the necessary folders and files, and after it's done, you can just close this down and hopefully your issue is fixed.